Knowing what you need in your first caravan can be really confusing. So why not choose a caravan that has everything you could ever need as the standard? The all-new Forte SR14 is an on-road caravan that has a host of standard features that lets you holiday in absolute comfort and convenience at a price that will really pleasantly surprise you. Power, water storage, cooking and comfort are all important ingredients. Quality, construction, durability and reliability are equally important. The Forte SR14 from MDC has got you covered in all of these areas. The Forte SR14 is a sturdy build, built from modern materials using composites and fibre reinforced plastics. MDC uses a welded aluminium frame with an aluminium composite panel shell. This ensures a very high degree of strength with no rusting or perishing of the frame and an excellent barrier against hot and cold weather. Your comfort and safety is of the utmost importance to us. There is so much space in this 14-foot caravan. From the big comfy queen-size bed, the mattress is super comfortable. There's also an abundance of storage for everything that you could possibly want for life on the road, which is above the bed and also underneath. The kitchen in the SR14 has everything that you need. It has plumbed-in hot and cold water, washboard sink, a top quality Thetford 3-burner hob for cooking meals, a convenient built-in microwave and even a built-in 130-litre Dometic refrigerator. With so much storage for food and cooking equipment, the kitchen is a delight to use and an entertainer's dream come true. Eating indoors is so relaxed within the SR14 dinette. It's comfortable, plush seating and our large dining table makes dining inside a joy as you are protected from the elements outside. And also included in our standard package is the sophisticated Dometic air conditioner as a standard, so you are guaranteed comfort all year round. For summer camping and all year round fresh air, the Forte SR14 has a roof skylight you can open as well as a mesh and a block-out screen. In fact, all the windows have mesh and block-out screens, so you can have just the right amount of breeze and privacy, which is really important when you're caravanning in comfort. The Sirocco fan is great to keep the breeze flowing, and being so quiet, it's really good for sleeping with the fan on and keeping air circulating over you. When it comes to power, the SR14 has a 200 amp hour Life Pro Plus lithium battery with almost 4 times the capacity of a traditional 100 amp deep cycle battery. During the day, it's topped up by the 350 watts of roof-mounted solar and maintained by the Projector Electronics package. The Projector Electronics also control power from your vehicle to charge while travelling and can provide up to 50 amps of charging when you're connected to shore power. The Projector BM500BT shunt has Bluetooth connectivity so you can view the battery state of charge, time to empty and time to full from your smartphone. It gives you full control and up-to-date information all at your fingertips. To run your 240 volt appliances like your Starlink internet, the SR14 has a Projector 1600 watt pure sine wave inverter, so no matter where you are, you can work and keep in touch with the rest of the world. The Ensuite is extremely roomy, offering you total privacy and convenience with a combined shower and toilet. And just outside the Ensuite is a stylish bench and basin. Something rarely seen at this price point is the quality trailing arm suspension. MDC has continued with their successful trailing arm and coil spring suspension on the Forte SR series, including the reliable Tough Trax shock absorbers. It boasts great highway handling and a smooth ride every time. The engineered chassis is hot-dipped galvanised for strength and resistance to corrosion, backed by a 5-year structural warranty. And how is this for convenience? An electric awning you can extend or retract with a flick of a switch. Great for a quick setup and perfect for some shade and protection in the rain. And just beneath the awning is this fantastic drop-down table. Perfect for happy hour drinks and nibblies. You'll be the most popular person at the campsite. And just like the inside, the outside of the SR14 has excellent storage. The front storage on both sides are protected by the triple seal hatch doors, ensuring your gear is protected and stays in great condition. The triple seal hatch doors are special in that they have 3 seals to protect the inside from dust and water. 2 seals on the door and 1 safely tucked into the door frame. The lock is a compression lock, so when you close the hatch, the lock pulls the door in to make sure the seals are in good contact and they do their job. Built with safety in mind, the SR14 has a wireless rear view camera as standard to help safely reverse your van into your site or back home after the trip. Now, being wireless, there's nothing to install. Simply mount the monitor in your vehicle, plug it into a 12-volt socket and turn on your parking lights or headlights to give you the view behind the van. We are confident that you won't find a better featured caravan in this price range. With the highly respected quality that has become synonymous with MDC, the Forte SR14 is very popular, so jump on the website, run through the 3D tour, or pop into one of our stores nationwide and catch our helpful and friendly sales team who will answer any questions you have and get you into the perfect caravan for you.